No. Never. Chair is love, chair is life. Maybe the chair should be the villain of the game. Hello and welcome. I am here. I am ready. Ish. We are burn it or hello. No. No, we're not gonna burn it and we're not gonna hello alpha neighbor. Hello alpha neighbor.
Kill
one.
the chair. 121st time.
I love AI chair, and how dare you? How dare you? Hello and welcome. Welcome, 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 welcome. We are gonna keep on keeping on with the game. I'm having a blast with the game. I think that's good. I think it's fun.
121st time here.
Hey, congratulations. So, I think we keep going, right? It's called Taxes. Can I rename this? What if we show an explorer? Let's see if we can rename it. Taxes Project Midnight.
We should make the jump scare allowed chase music like Fears to Fathom and Puppet
Midnight
Combo.
Ooh, yeah, that's something that we'll have to tackle today. Okay, this should be called. Can we? Yeah, Midnight Chaos. We've renamed our project to Midnight Chaos. Love that.
And then this.
We need to pull up some music. We need some music to code to. Is that the jump scare noise? Perfect. Yes. No. Yes. All right. Dismiss. So, let me demonstrate what I did. It's actually pretty baller. You guys ready for this? Are you ready for this?
Can we put on some Baldi music?
Yeah, we can do we'll do Baldi music. We can do some Baldi music. I don't think the soundtrack is what we want though, right? Perfect. So let me demonstrate what we did last time. All right, so do you remember where we left it, where I was like, I want to make the progress bar attached to the thing, and I couldn't do it because I'm a dumb. Whoa! Whoa! Was it just me, or was it attached? Wow! Look at that! Ah! Get out of here, gun. Anyways, I did that, right? It was easy. If you want to see it, we have a really good thing going on with this now. So everything happens in here. On-clicked. The on-click is on there, right? As well as our 3 can do, has done, is done. They're all on there now. And so you click it, set the visibility, which this thing, the progress bar is now on this invisible sphere, which is also the progress bar. So we can move this, and where this is, it is where it hangs out, right? So the progress bar is now pinned to it. Now the last thing I think we probably should disable movement when you're doing that, or how do we do? I guess we disable movement. Do we disable movement? I don't know. There we go. I don't know if we can like prevent rotation. You have an entire book of ideas.
I have an entire book of ideas.
Well, what about what we do with this, right? So the way that it works now is well, we could just turn was visibility. We could just turn the visibility on for the progress bar as well. I'm actually pretty proud of this.
Cows, hello, I'm a wee bit late.
You're not, Moon Lord. You're
We
actually
need lore.
We do need lore. See, so do you see how the progress bar like turns with you? This won't be a problem if we disabled movement. You know what I mean? So do we disable movement? You'll make some lore. Okay. All right.
Wait, to build up Lord, I need the premise of the game.
I mean, I think lore is wait.
We also should have a notepad to put the tasks on.
A notepad. Like you have to write it yourself. That's not a bad idea. That's actually not a and then check it and you like like that. Game loop. Gameplay loop. Yeah, gameplay loop. Notepad to track quest, maybe. Maybe. That's a good idea. Whether or not, like, this is terrible music, JC. This is awful. Let's not. All right. So here's what we're gonna do. We need to make sure that if we leave, how do we tell if it's no longer on component?
Bro, finna be the next supermarket simulator.
Over
Doom style.
And
Wolfenstein.
overlap. Ooh, assign and actor and overlap on component. And I think we have to do some Googling. This music is bumming me out, JC. Unreal Engine, how to tell when a collision ends.
Refresh the everyday with Mentos gum.
And we got an ad for it too. Awesome.
Saving for the car of your dreams is good.
I would love to be the next supermarket simulator.
Next to automatic crash response. That's better. OnStar, better never stops.
Over other body from sweep.
Cows,
That's
a horror game about a super soldier. A crappy version of Doom 3.
Right now we're making this game where you do tasks, right? You do a task, right? What task? The first task, and then you go up here and you go, doing the task. Job's done. Oh, it doesn't say done. Ooh.
Among Us AHH.
Among Us. Oh, it didn't finish because I didn't do it right. Done. There we go. We got it back. All right, let's put this. This is in a good spot. Let's see if we can't. Can we have multiples?
Happy birthday, you little brat.
Do the first task. Oh. That's cool. That's pretty cool. Cool.
This music is from the party event.
I am well aware. This music choice does blow though.
Are
One
we in
of
space? On Earth?
what if we need to somehow instantize these? What if we say variable next task? So that way you can be like, this is going to be a task object. Because one other thing, we have to figure out how you have to like chain these together, right? You have to chain these together. Can we set this? How do we set this? So if we go here and we say next task. Because we have to like chain these together. You can't just like... Yeah, we went back to default. Try the default out again.
Best music ever.
It's not. It's really not. Content browser 1. All right, we're gonna pull that out. Wait, hang on. Go back. We're gonna pull this off. Sweet. Content browser. It's very much not the best ever. That's okay though. Do we? How?
Cows, have you figured out where we are in this game?
We're in a supermarket. Earth. We're not a supermarket. We're in a market, like a little tiny marketplace. You know, like we're just in like a little convenience store.
Like
Not,
Dollar Tree.
No, like
Night of the consumers.
just like a little mini market. Oh my goodness, this music is driving me insane. Okay, we're leaving that. I mean, I can't with that music. It's too repetitive. It's too the exact same. You know what I mean? Okay, so one thing we need to do. We need to instantize. Perfect.
The best Baldi song is Schoolhouse Trouble.
I don't want to listen to any more Baldi music. I am sorry. It's not good. Is it on? Hello. Yeah, I don't. It's not great music. It's not great music.
Fall Guys isn't any better.
I didn't say it was. What? So, for...
Cows, I can't take you serious anymore.
Why? What did I do? What did I do that you can't take me seriously?
MC Cows.
Wicket. Instance editable. Yes. Expose on spawn? Stop. Next. Alright, this is something we need to figure out. Unreal Engine, how to expose variable
to
Khaos,
object.
have you ever played Night of the Consumers before?
Yes, it's on the channel and we beat it. I beat it before he did the remake and then stopped doing the remake. How do you not know that is my question. Compile. Oh, wait, I wonder, a way to compile it. Is it here? Next. Oh, here we go. Next task.
Khaos, this seems too familiar to Night of the Consumers.
You're at C. What do you mean? I'm confused.
You know, random edits is the type of person to laugh at Khaos playing Resident Evil 7.
Okay. Cool. I don't understand what's going on anymore. So we're gonna do 3 tasks, right? And then this next task is going to be task 3, and then we save it. All right, so we need another variable here. Can do. Is ready. Current task. We need to look at the current task. Why are we talking about random edits? He hasn't been here in forever. Guys. Why are we on random edits? What are you going on about? I don't understand. All right, here's what we do. Do the first task, and then instead of done, we're gonna set it to get name, get object name. Do. So we need like a string concat, right? We go to book.
Especially not after the alternate accounts incident.
Plus. Yeah, that's true. That alternate accounts incident was pretty dark. Append. String append. All right. B do. Next task. So or task description. Ooh. We add a description to the task. This is all necessary stuff to do, by the way. Text. This is also can be exposed on spawn. And then get next task.
This is confusing, this scares me.
Get task.
My small brain can comprehend this.
Ha! I mean, that's good. The pictures helps. So what we've done now, we now have each of our tasks now have a description. When you do it, set the description of the task that you're doing to the next task. So it should chain, right? Save that. And then we're going to go to here. We're going to, so this task description can be clean the floors. This task, stock the shelves. And then this task can be, what's the last thing? Oh,
add a hunter and thirst bar to make it more annoying.
Clean. That's funny. The windows. All right. So Wow, wow, wow. All right. Let me stop this real quick and fix that. We want our progress bar to not be visible. Okay. Compile that. Save that. All right. Watch this. Watch this. Are you ready? Are you ready? Do the first task. And we go here. Do the task. Stocking the shelves. That's the next one. Clean the windows. Whoa. This one didn't work. Pretty good though. Obviously there's some weirdities in it. But that's pretty good. That's a pretty good start. There it is.
What if it made really loud squeaking sounds when cleaning the windows?
I mean, that's obvious. That's obvious. That's obvious. And then wow, wow, wow. Compile that. One of the things I think is the player should have the list not. That's the question. Does the player have the list? Or the player should know
Moving
the
boxes
task.
should have thudding sounds like how you place down boxes.
Agreed. That makes a lot of sense. This is going to be called current task. All right. And this can be exposed on spawn, right? You don't need any of these anymore, because this is based on the task. Then the next, so we have a current task. Our player now knows what tasks are, and he knows what task he needs to be doing. Ooh, ooh. And so then on event begin play, current. We'll set it to current task. Set. We're going to set the current task to get actors of class task. Nice.
I'm just going to say the name I pulled out my butt, and I don't care if you gave this game a name.
It's called Midnight Khaos. We workshopped it yesterday. Midnight Khaos. We need to make sure.
Dang.
Yeah, that's okay. That's okay. We have plenty. That's right. We have plenty to do still. All right. Let's give our tasks an order, which is an int. It's an integer, right? So each of our tasks will have a 1, 2, 3, 4. So that way, oh, okay.
Do you like good?
What? Order, get order equals one. We'll be 0 based if it equals, no, we won't be 1. branch. So we're getting the first task. This is a little bit messy. There might be a better way to do this. If true, current task. We're setting our first task. There we go. So when the game starts, perfect.
Wait, so a market in where? Kansas, Cali, Florida.
America. America.
I'd like 2 number 9s. A number 9 large. A number 6.
I like a number 9 large. A number 6. Actually. Two number 9s. A number 5. Alright, we keep going. But what?
What state in America? We can just put a state just for funsies.
I think you leave it ambiguous so people can be like, ooh. You know what? I bet it's where I'm from. You gotta leave some of it up to their imagination. Compile. Boom. UI widget, get that. Set task description.
Oh, I know. It takes place in Antarctica.
Get task description. Oh my goodness. That was a lot of work. So now on begin play, it should automatically. No, it takes place in nondescript town in America. It should say go. Oh, it says go to the first task still.
The lore takes place in the north of Florida.
Did we set the first task name?
You're still auto-tuned.
Thank you. Thanks. We need to set the order. It didn't find an order. Why can't I? Wait. We need to be able to.
Are we putting voice acting in this? Let's do the most trashy voice acting.
Maybe. Maybe.
AI
What?
voice acting.
AI, we could do AI voice acting. I would rather do normal voice acting, I'll be honest. Maybe we'll be the voice actors. It'll just be us. You know what I mean? I'm confused as to why this is not.
Turn off the music before I say a line. Do my tasks or else you are promoted to customer.
Ah, that's the line. I've heard that before. Next task, expose on spawn. Why?
Because if I play this and it has the most trashy voice acting like the Aria show, I will cry.
You don't need to cry about that. Task 2, task 3. You know what? We don't need next task if we have. Well, hang on. We're gonna change this to an int. Change. This is going to be called task
At least
order.
it won't be linked the faces of evil, and that game is good.
I mean, we don't need to do
Cry in excitement.
perfect. 0, 1, 2. Perfect. So now, instead of this, what we do is, we're gonna make a function that's get next task. What is Faces of Evil? Ah.
Welcome. More on Zelda 2 Adventure of Light.
Team up one last time.
Aria is a great example of how
Where? I just want to hear the voice. I just wanted the voice acting.
Standing up. And you'll find that some tools need rubies before they'll work. Be sure to look for the special Triforce map in each area you conquer. Strike the maps to open new areas and continue your quest.
Oh my
in
goodness.
Cora.
I don't know why you think that would be bad. That sounds kind of awesome. Get next task. Which this will take. Oh, music. This will take current order. Current task order.
Cows listen to the Aria show voice acting.
Aria.
There's something called the online Microsoft SAM TTS generator. You could use that for your game.
We could. Once again, Terraria show voice acting. I don't know what I'm looking for. I don't know what I'm looking for. Current task order is actually an integer. And then we are going to just do this thing that we did over here in the main character.
Bro, they had it on YouTube. Also, the thing that people remember the most about Faces of Evil are the cutscenes, trust me.
I don't think we're going to get great cutscenes in this. Cutscenes might be a little bit out of our pay grade. You know what I mean? All right. All right, perfect. If it equals current.
No, I meant for you to watch the cutscenes.
What? I didn't. I don't know what you want me to watch. I did look. Oh, and you want me to watch Faces of Evil cutscenes? Okay. Got it. Faces of Evil cut. Oh. Not just that. Was that not? Okay, here we go.
Gee, it sure is
I've seen this.
boring around here.
My boy, this piece is what all true warriors strive for.
I just wonder what Ganon's up to.
Oh, I've seen this before.
Your Majesty.
What are all those heads?
What?
These are the
What are
faces
all
of
those
evil.
heads?
Must conquer each.
I guess I'd better get
Cows
going.
after that watch some of the
Here is
Aria voice acting I put in Discord.
Okay. Episode 9.
Came to the town with 2 long ears and an adorable cotton ball tail.
That's really good. What?
There's no meat on these bones and hairy bones.
That's pretty good.
Baby?
Those purple rats were kicking my...
That's fine.
Sorry.
Oh yes, your traps.
Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Nah, it's fine. That didn't sound bad at all. I liked it. Get the next task.
That's Kratos.
It's Kratos. Get next task. Yeah. This is also we can like automate the task.
Sounds like they voiced that in their bedroom, not an actual voice recording studio.
I mean, maybe the quality might leave something to be desired, but I think it's not the worst. I mean, it's definitely not the worst thing I've ever heard.
Also, there are so many YTPS of the Face of Evil cutscenes.
Yes, of course. That's because it's terrible. That's what happens when something's real bad. Get the next task. If it is equal to... Hang on, this is wrong. +1. +1. Right, because it has to be... You can't just do the next... It's the next task. This actually makes it the next task. If it is equal to... There's a bug in here for sure, because we could do index out of range. Or no, it might just work.
Have you ever played Faith the Unholy Trinity?
I have not. Next task. Yeah, I've seen stuff about it. I haven't played it though.
I farted and a poopy almost slipped out.
Oh no, are you okay, Moonlord?
Almost slipped out.
Oh no, are you okay, Moonlord? Task. We return the task.
Also, have you ever seen the noise meme?
The what? Noise. Oh yeah, the guy that goes noise. I can't do it. Noise. Yes. This shouldn't be called current task. We don't want to set the current task because we're now on the next task. Nice. Yeah, I've seen Nice Guy. He does a whole series of stories. He's pretty cool. I like him. Really? Oh. Weird. All right. So now, I think that was a lot. Get next task. Get next task, and then we want to get description. Get task description. We actually might...
I think that Khaos should make a channel where he does YTPs of random videos. Maybe there could be a server. I farted and my dad almost slipped out.
I don't understand the point of gross. That's real gross. Why? Okay. Get player. Get player controller. Do we want the player get? Ooh, actually, what if we BP first person character. You know, I don't actually need my headphones on. No, I do. I need to hear you, don't I? I'm a little bit warm. I'm gonna open up the window. Perfect.
Haha PP.
No, stop. BP, this is gonna be BP first person character, and then we're gonna say set. Yep, perfect. Nice. And now set task description. We're not going to do task description here. We're going to get, and then we're going to say current task. Set
EPP.
Current task. And then I think we need to make an event, like a custom event. Update task event. I want a new event. How do I make a custom event? Add custom event. Update. No. We want a function. Update.
What if we put multiple
Current.
ending in this?
That's the plan. Multiple endings. We have. So, an overview, Moonlord, I guess because you weren't here for a lot of it. Midnight Chaos, convenience store during the midnight shift. Main character, Greg Orson. A bad Chaos is the bad guy, and he lives in a freezer. Is he actually bad Chaos? We're not sure yet. 2 endings, at least like 2 base endings, death and escape. Some nice to have, shoot someone, arson, and then you could dial 69420 and then you die. The gameplay loop. Maybe have a notepad, if not just tasks. Do tasks, spooky things happen, and then you escape or die. And then we have a bunch of random ideas that are like once the main gameplay loop is done. Update current task.
What if Bad Chaos's minions were Khaos' secret channels?
I don't know what that means. Oh, minions. Well, does he need minions? Update set task. Nice. Set task description. What do you mean, like? Get task description. Cool. We are now automating all of our tasks. I think we're close.
Okay, here's some lore. You play as Greg Orson. It's your first shift, but
Something weird happens. I mean, yeah, that's pretty accurate. Task order. Uh-huh. Pretty good. Crap. Get Boop-a-doop-boop. Boop-a-doop-boop. Right, because in the task, we do not want to update the description in the task. We don't want the task to care about the description at all. Perfect, look at that. That's pretty good. Then at the end of the task, Bad Chaos should be the Bad Chaos
should
logo.
be Bad Chaos logo with red eyes when he extra bad.
Oh.
Then normal Bad Chaos.
The normal Bad Chaos. What makes him extra bad? My question. What makes him extra bad? Next task. What am I doing? Oh, I don't know if we need find references. I don't think we need this anymore.
When you do all the tasks. Like Baldi.
Got it. We don't need to get
Also, did you hear that Baldi's basics will have a time limit now?
I did actually. I did read the notes. All right. Has done. All right. And then we set it to next task.
Just make Bad Cows sound like Sans. For some weird reason I don't know.
Like the brr, 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 like that. Brr, 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 brr.
Ex-Catley.
Okay. Wouldn't it be better if we made him like his own thing? You know. Like something like that, you know. Just
We could either make Bad Chaos sound like Sand or Robosoft 2 from the online TTS generator.
Both of those are possibilities. All right. Clean floors. Do the task.
Bro, you made him sound like Waluigi.
Waluigi. Waluigi. Update. Update current task. Waluigi. Which this does what?
My raw full copter goes swa 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 swa.
Oh, yours does too? This probably instead of updating it like that, this could be private. No, you know what? Let's just leave that. All right. Here we go. Watch this. This is going to be cool. This is going to be cool. We go up, clean the floors, cleaning the floors. I didn't do it. All right, what did it look? What did this fire off look like? Oh. Oh, there's an error. Oh, you know what? I bet. I wonder. 2, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2. All right. Interesting. There we go. We go up to it. We hit button. Clicking that does stuff. Didn't do what I wanted it to. All right. Let's follow the flow. You click. It does this when this is finished. Oh, well that's bad. This is bad.
Bad Khaos wasn't always so bad. He was trapped in the supermarket forever.
He turned bad when he got his first copyright strike, and that drove him to the brink of insanity. Tragic. It's a tale as old as time. Tale as old as time. Okay. There we go. Task order. Get next task. Compile. Try that. Try that. Yaha.
Khaos, look at the rest of my lore.
Family man loved by wife and 3 children, and then he went into the supermarket and it locked behind him and closed him off forever.
Stop killing gators to make Gatorade.
That's fair.
But I love Gatorade.
Our character's current task is none. So, inside, I guess here's what we're going to do. Update current task. Inside update current task, you will pass in...
Current tasks is to move boxes.
Well, the current task is to get the tasks working. The idea is that this will all be, like, you know, manageable by itself. So you can add as many tasks as you want. That's the idea. Okay. You're a little bit ahead of the game. We're not at the lore portion. Most of this probably going to be forgotten by the time it matters. But also, everyone has their idea of the lore. Well, this will be... The lore is going to be workshop. We'll work on it to... Okay, wow. We're not in Florida. That's pretty good. Man in a Chaos Mart costume is...
I'm just pulling random stuff out my butt.
Alright, you know what, Flowey? That's pretty good. That's pretty good. It's called Chaos Mart, and there's the mascot, which is good chaos. But the guy got caught. You know what? That's actually... I hate to say it. It's pretty good lore. The Chaos Mart convenience store lore. Man got trapped in the Chaos Mart costume and locked in a freezer where he became bad chaos. That's not That's not the worst. That's not the worst lore ever. Current task move boxes could be. You could move boxes. That's a distinct possibility. All right. But for now, we need to get this to work right. So then inside here. So we don't need to set the current task anymore. What we need to do is pass the task into here. So I think we're close to getting.
All right. I sent the TTS generator in lobby.
I don't need.
Use
So
that picture as an interactable. Inside the Bad Chaos office.
I don't actually need a TTS. There's this thing called Elundus Core.
Suck it, Trebk.
Right.
Suck it, Trebk.
Hello everybody, my name is Markiplier.
I see. I have a TTS generator.
I somehow recognize these voices.
They're Twitch TTS voices. So that way you can work on your your thing, you know, your thing. Your message before you send it.
Also, the one I sent is different voices.
Yeah. But my point is I don't need that though, because we have that one. That's all I was saying. Ah. Clean the floors. Dang. Why? Get next task. Why? It still has current task as none. So inside our task, I'm pretty confused as to why this isn't doing what I want. Task 2, 3.
At least test the thing.
Okay. There's no volume there.
Swah, swah, swah.
Wow.
Soy, soy, soy.
Ah.
Soy, soy, soy.
It's beautiful.
Look what I put
soy,
in
soy, soy.
Khaos is mad because he is mad.
I'm not mad because I'm mad. I'm not mad at all. I'm not mad. If anyone is mad, it's you. So I can't get this to work, which is maybe a little bit annoyed.
So now you have 2 TTS generators.
Ooh, so it knew the task order.
That mean?
It knows the task order is 1. We'll do a 4 each with break. I think maybe that'll help. 4 each with break. My cat just scared me a little bit. She hopped up there. So in the loop body, if this is true, if true, break. And then perfect. So we break if it's true.
Is this spaghetti code? I've never seen it before and I don't want to anymore.
No, this is visual scripting. It could be done in C#. I'm just not.
So Bad Chaos could use RoboSoft 2 from the online generator.
Get task order. Delete that. If the task order equals where we are +1, maybe.
I have no career in software engineering.
I do. Literally my job. I get paid the big bucks to do this, baby. No joke. It's actually my job. It really is. I don't do visual scripting, but whatevs. So if it's that break complete, or yeah, it's maybe.
Is this game free?
It will be. Aha. Go here, we click this. Whoa! 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 We back to the first task. Let's go! Dude! We did it. We did it. That's crazy. So, the reason why that's exciting, we can now add any number of tasks we want. How do you add a task?
You finished the game.
No, but we have updated it. So the tasks are now like you could drop. This is now task. This is the third task and it's kill someone. Right? So now the next task will be commit murder. Which is pretty cool. So we run, there'll be 4 tasks. One of those tasks, the last one will be commit murder. And so we can just, this is part of building it, right? Oh, there we go. Clean the floors, stock the shelves. Stock the shelves. Nice. Clean the windows. Kill someone. Don't mind if I do. Right? That's why that's impressive. See how easily. So now we can easily.
What about ways to commit murder like burning some, stabbing, making them fall on their head too hard maybe?
Well, we're not gonna commit murder. That's not that we're not. That's just like that was just the like you can change that, right? So we exposed it, so you can escape. And so this is how you win the game, right? You don't. It's not like about. You go like that, and then you do your tasks. And you do oh, stock the shelves. Okay, I gotta stock the shelves. Cool. Gotta clean the windows. Okay. Whoa. Uh-oh, I gotta escape. Ah! And you go to the door, and you click the door. You click the door, and you're out.
What is the gun for?
There is no gun. Oh, the gun is for the. This is Unreal's base first-person shooter project. That's it. I just thought that was pretty cool that we now have like a task we can add to anything.
Should we start doing voices?
I mean, we don't have. I don't think so. I think what we do, I think the way that you make games is like you don't.
Wait,
you're at like the.
Khaos has minions.
I mean, then the game gets more difficult. The game gets more difficult. I think. So we have that. We have to create the gameplay loop. So then, we could. What if we have a start screen and an end screen? Then we have a gameplay loop. Go do these 3 tasks and then escape. And once you do this task, it's game over, and you leave. Right? We could have a scuffed. A scuffed very. Task, right?
Make some title screen music.
Flowey already added that. Do you want to hear it? It's pretty good. Flowey is on top of it. No, that's not it. Where'd it go, Flowey? Was it and I made this? Wait, where did it go? Did you delete it? It was a banger. Oh, here we go. The banger. Anyways, so we must now figure out how to do a title screen. Unreal Engine title screen. Loading screen? Start screen. Here we go.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, it's a banger, right? After the splash project game. No. Ah, interesting. So, what this thing I think just said is have a beep. So, I think we have a BP start screen. Create title. So we make a title screen widget. A user widget, sure. BP title screen widget. And this should just be 2 things. There should be 2 buttons.
The loading screen will be a classic black screen with loading in the bottom right corner. Like this.
I mean, if we're lame, probably, actually. Button. We'll just do one button and then we'll add some text. And then the text will just say start. You know what? I'm wrong. Yep, you're banned. I don't know why my band doesn't work anymore. Yep, you're banned. Midnight Chaos. Midnight Chaos. Boom. Look at that title screen. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. That's what I said. But my sound effect doesn't work. Wow. Boom, boom, boom. Wow. Oh my goodness. It's beautiful. Make the button huge. Absolutely.
We need our names in the credits.
You can have your names in the credits. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, 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 wow. That, look, boom, Midnight Chaos, start.
Cows of the Midnight.
What the heck is a title map?
This is a placeholder, right?
Yes. This is a placeholder, correct.
Mid-Chaos Night.
Yeah, well, we'll clean it up. The goal... So, here, guys, I don't know how to do game development. This is my assumption how it works based on my experience as a software engineer. You don't start with your finished product. You don't start with Baldur's Gate 3. You start with a scuffed title screen. And you get that functioning, and then you don't start with a beautiful level. You start with a scuffed level that is just a bunch of blocks. And as you go and add features, then you refine it. So what we do is we have the task in a decent position. We're getting the gameplay loop in a decent position. And then we'll add in the bad guy and we'll get him into a decent place. And then we'll go back and we'll refine and we'll clean up. You don't start at the finish line. You just do one step at a time and you make it a little bit better each time, right? Games aren't made in a second.
After you're finished with the game, could we get some gameplay?
Like this? You mean like this? Check out this gameplay. This is riveting. Rustle, rustle, rustle. Clean the floors. Stock rustle. Rustle, 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 rustle. Clean the windows. Rustle, 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 rustle. Escape! Ah! Escape! And then we've escaped. Like that? Gameplay like that? Like that? That's the gameplay that you want? Is that riveting
like
gameplay?
Gameplay.
That is the goal. So this will end the level. This will end the level.
Chaos mascot should have blood on the costume.
Yes, it should. I'm a little bit worried about how we actually do that though, you know. Let me see. I don't know how to get to the level blueprint. Title map.
It should look like the duck season dog but bear. Put some color into this other than blue and gray. It looks like we're in an experiment.
That's a good idea, Moonlord. We will eventually. Just right now, we're trying. Like right now, we want to get the we want to get the gameplay loop down. We'll clean. This isn't the final level. Level blueprint. How to open level blueprint. What? Ah, here we go. Got it. We got it. Event. Begin play. Play 2D sound. Okay, are you ready for this? -9, perfect. How does that sound? Right here. We do that. That should loop. We need this to loop perfectly. Get a second loop. Control C. Control V. Okay. Let's try that. Well, that's fine. Export audio. Sure. This will be Midnight Chaos title. Music. .wave. Sure. Perfect. We have our music. So we now need to add this as an asset to our content. This will be called content. New folder. Assets. New folder. Audio. This is an audio asset. And then, you know what? Music. We'll go one deeper. This is going to be real cool. I hope you're ready for it. I hope you're ready for how cool this actually is. Okay. We play that 2D sound. And then we create widget. BP title screen widget. That's fine. And then we add to viewport. Right. Save. Compile. And then when we run, how do we make that loop?
We should make a voice when you press start where a robot says, "All right, new recruit, make sure to do your..."
How to loop 2D sound Unreal Engine 5.
We will work on the background for the title screen later.
Yes, we will work on the title screen. 100% for sure. Once again, this is all just like oh, cool. Cool. Play stop mute solo. I don't see a sound details. Oh, sound details. Looping. Now, watch this. It loops, I bet. It stopped looping. Oh, is that because I clicked out? All right. It's because I clicked out. All right, you guys listen to this banger. I'll be right back. I gotta go potty. So you made me, I'm still queso. I can't believe I'm still queso. This stuff is huge, and you're making me queso. Heck yeah. It stopped. How was that banger that wasn't playing the whole time? How dare you? Okay. Couple issues. We don't have what do you guys see the issues? I see the issues.
Can we ensure that the music stops playing when the start button is pressed?
No. Yes, we need to do that. That's an issue I didn't even see. Couple issues though. One is, I think the music is a little bit too loud, but that's neither here nor there. We need to we don't have the mouse, right? And the game needs to stop when you're in the title screen as well. So first thing, how do we get time let's see. How to properly do a start menu, Unreal Engine 5. Okay. Wait. Unlock mouse?
Khaos, why is there a brick wall behind you?
Because it's queso. It's queso. Yep, you're banned. You're banned. Get banned. You're banned.
Khaos, are you behind this guy?
Mm-hmm. Let's see. So we have to not start the game. Get world. What is get world? I'm no longer behind him. I've escaped. I'm free. All right. I hate to watch it. We can't just. Yeah, he's making his main menu here. Very cool. Oh. He made a separate game mode for it. That's fascinating. Okay.
The cheese tax. The cheese tax.
You gotta play the cheese text every time you're cooking. When the cheese comes out, this puppy comes looking. The rules are the rules, and the facts are the facts. And when the BP first person game mode. So what we need to do is we need to do gameplay camera mode. Interesting. Game mode. BP, main menu, game mode. So that's what he did.
If I go to my window, we go to world settings. World settings.
Ooh.
Here.
Window.
Just drag this menu game mode onto
world settings.
Override. Right now it's blank. Now if I click save and click play.
Oh, interesting. Oh, interesting.
We can see that I'll spawn no character.
Interesting. See, we're learning. This is why we're doing this. So.
That's right. We're gonna cheat.
This is actually not cheating. All right, and then we run. Hello, Callo. How you doing? We're making so much incredible progress. HUD?
I'm doing good.
Good. Main menu theme does go pretty hard.
The main menu theme goes hard.
Game mode, there's no default pawn class. If I say made this the third person character, I'd always spawn as the third person character. So we just want to leave that blank. That way, no character will spawn inside of our title game mode. Next, we want it so that our main menu actually appears inside of this level. To achieve that effect, we just want to click.
We're not quite even there, are we? He did world settings, which is this. No, that's our game mode. These are the world settings over here. BP game mode. Right. We're learning right now.
Your project is in. In order to achieve this effect, all we can do is create a blue. And now, a world settings tab will appear. If I just drag this menu game mode onto my game mode override, right now it's blank. Now if I inside of my main menu game mode,
Flower the Flowy.
no default pawn class character.
All right. Oh, and then in main menu.
And click compile.
Yeah, we've done that.
What I'm going to do is basically make it so that all these buttons work. And I'm also going to add a...
That doesn't quite work for us, though. Why not? Oh, because we have to save it, I bet. Save? But you can still move! Alright, because this is wrong. Got it. Save. Then we have to go to the level. I bet we go to the level. And we specify our level. No. World. It doesn't work though. I'm confused. I'm sufficiently confused. Oh, whoa! We can fly. Got it, because we have no movement. Player state. That's not quite it. I don't know what this guy's talking about. Right click widget, main menu, yeah, then you did canvas overlay, vertical box, yeah, button, you add your stuff, yeah, we got that, yeah, we get it. Also, we're watching Unreal University, so that's who we're watching right now. Oh, wait, hang on. New level. Okay, all right. I figured out what we did wrong. We skipped something. World override. No. No. I don't even know how to get to that level. Oh, new level. Oh, empty level. Create. First person map. Oh. Maps. Save selected. Yeah, we do want to save that. Oh. And then we override the game mode like here. No, base material. Game mode. Game mode override. That. Now we go here, and then I bet we go level. We do the level now. Event begin play. Stop. Boom.
Hello once again, college.
Oh ho ho! Here we go. Stop. Start. Save. Main menu. Hit play. Okay. 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 Closer. Closer. Ooh, I can feel it. I can feel it. So now we have to open up our main menu. We have to find the main menu.
Hi JC.
This is exciting, Callow. You're here. You're gonna be here for it. You're gonna be here. For it. On click. Start. Load level instance. What's the
Midnight Cows.
First.
Hey Cows, maybe you could give college a custom voice.
I could. Why though? First person map. Compile that. Try it. Whoa! That worked. That worked. We have to go back to the first person map.
I meant that college doesn't usually have the David voice.
That's true. All right, now watch this. We're going to load main menu. Start.
Tour.
Okay, why did we start? Why did we start out of the level? Why are you? Why are you spawning us out of the level? Should it not spawn us here?
That's right, we're gonna cheat.
We're not cheating! It should start us right there.
AFXG.
AFX!
We might need to loop the menu theme.
Oh yeah, it needs to be
We're
cleaned
gonna
up a little bit. Ideally what I would do is I would go like this, copy, and then you paste. Oh, I know what's wrong with it. There. There's definitely a little bit of a, and that's this empty spot right here. All right, save that file, export
DK Musics I can
audio.
hear.
Yeah, that's it's playing. Save, export. Yes. We can clean up the title music a little bit. What does that? How does it sound? All right, Open in external editor.
I love the music, it's so calm, reminds me of 2016's.
It didn't loop, but I think it's good. I think it's pretty good. I want to open this in there we go. Oh. Save. Apparently you need to actually move the file manually. Yeah, I like this song too. This song's a banger. All right, let's go back to here. We're going to go back to our main menu. Yes. And then we run. Wait for it. Perfect loop. I don't know why it all right, so let's go back to this dude that was teaching us. We're gonna go back to this dude that was teaching us, and we're gonna finish listening to him.
That's blank. Head back to my main menu and just paste the name inside.
Open level. Is that what we did? Did we say open level? I don't know. Pretty close. We're pretty close to having like a full gameplay loop. BP. We want
Khaos
the
the
BP.
midnight.
No. Yeah. Open level, not load level. Open level by name, and this is called first person map. Save. Compile. Save. Play. Watch this now. Are you ready?
She midnight until I cows.
Start. Part of me feels like it didn't actually.
Mr. Warp. Fire.
Okay. And then I'm going to my designer. For the scope of this video, we're not going to create an options menu.
So he said you just do that first person map. Is that how we had it? Because that was working how we had it. Save. All right. And then we control Y back. First person map. Don't shoot. Don't shoot. All right. Hit start. Start. Oh! Oh! Clean the floors. Stock the shelves.
That's right, we're gonna cheat.
No, this is no longer cheating. Now we're actually doing the work. Now we're gonna clean the windows. If I could back up, go in, clean the windows. Clean the windows. Cleaning the windows! And now we have to escape! Oh my goodness. There it is. Now, we need to make one more level.
Remember to copy and paste stuff.
We're going full circle.
Buckaroo-doodle-doo!
It's green! Now get a move on! Okay, user interface widget. Here we go. BP.
Maybe we could do voices after
and
the level is added.
screen widget. Right? Are we ready for it? Are we ready for it? We're gonna get canvas. Add a canvas panel. Text. Wow. And it's gonna say, congratulations. In big old letter.
You win.
Congratulations. I was going to say you escaped. Okay. Congratulations. We're going to add another one. And then it's going to say you escaped. Whoa. Wow. Woo! Compile that, save that. Then we're going to add a button which says main menu. Main menu.
Maybe add text saying, more to come soon.
Well,
Ending
we're not
1/4 escape.
We're not. This isn't gonna. It's not over after this. We're not. This isn't. This. We're not putting this out there yet. We'll update this. This is just like a. This is just like a base level end screen, right? This is a garbage little end screen. Then we go file. New level. I'm excited.
Once father told me, never gonna give you up, never gonna let you down.
Yeah? That's cool. BP end screen game mode. I'm excited. Can you tell? I'm extremely excited.
Super Luigi Galaxy.
I am extremely excited for this, by the way. Like this is such progress. This is such good progress. And yeah, I mean, we can just kind of copy.
We should have T-posing Luigi for our killer placeholder.
Yeah. T-posing Luigi. Where? Wait,
Or maybe the placeholder could be Khaos Resident Evil 7 Part 1.
I was just gonna do like a next bot style good chaos. That's just like a 2D guy, you know? How the actual, it's level, it's in the level, open level. Here we go. So we have to, all right, we're gonna save our level. File. Save current level. And we're gonna save this level as. Maps, sure. End screen. This is gonna be called end screen. And then we open main menu, and I am just gonna rip directly. I'm gonna just rip directly. You know what? We'll do the end music also. We're just gonna keep it. We're gonna keep it simple, stupid, as simple as possible. There we go. Boom. On event begin play, we'll play the same exact sound. BP. End screen widget. Add it to the viewport. Compile that. Make sure. Main menu. I think I spelled main menu wrong. Maybe. We'll see. That song was pretty good too. Okay, we have to go to the. We're incredibly close. What did we call the level? We did call the level main menu. So when you click this button, it should in fact open up the main menu.
Ending 5 of 4. You got drunk.
Oh! Wait, what level are we on then? How do I know what level I'm on? What is this? What is this? Why is this not working? Why is it not working? All right, hang on. Let's I would really love to at least I want to get full circle. So, what we're going to do is we're going to open up task. And then we're gonna do the I'm gonna add a variable is final. We could also maybe, you know what? I bet you could do some inheritance stuff. We're not going to. You could have like escape task, right? That's for future us to do. Task 4 is final task. Is final task. This one is the final task. If complete, finished. We still set the visibility to this, but then we go like this. Branch, right? We have to scooch all this out.
Invisibly.
Yeah, invisibly. What? Get is final task. Open level. We call the level and end screen is what we call the level. End screen. Right. Compile. Save. Quick and dirty. See, we'll test it first. Clean the floors. Stock the shelves. Clean the windows. Cleaning the windows. Escape. Escaping. We have to unlock the mouse. I don't know why it doesn't take us to. All right, pretty good, pretty good. We're real close. We just need to figure out why that doesn't take us to the to the main menu. Save selected. Perfect. That was awesome. We have our mouse. That one worked. That one worked. Why did that one work? Wrong one. If we look at main menu, game state. Cause I'm free. We're not free yet. We're close. Spectator class true. All of that stuff looks to be the same. Let's look at the level, I guess. Main menu. If we go to world settings, let's go to the end screen. We'll look at the game modes again. Everything in the game modes seems to be the exact same. Yeah, let's do this. Let's delete this. Cancel. We're gonna go here. Copy. We're gonna duplicate. And we're gonna call it BP End Screen Game Mode 1. And then we delete this. I want to replace it with End Screen Game Mode. Replace reference. Yes. Save selected. Save. Inside End Screen Game Mode. All right. Does this work? I wonder.
Although in the later video, I'm going to go over how we can create a full options menu. So
we don't need options menu yet. We don't need that yet.
We quit the game. Next, all
right.
So I'm just going to apply paper to, and I'll make the resolution.
Yeah, man.
Menu. My mouse to click the play button. As you can see, when I start, I first tap my mouse. However, if I click, my mouse disappears.
Yeah.
I can't really get access to it again.
Yeah, I don't like that.
Also, if I click the play button and I click start.
Yeah.
When I start my game, I start with a mouse cursor. We don't want it here.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna add a couple of settings to fix that.
Okay.
Go back to our main menu.
Okay.
And we'll head back to the graph.
Construct.
So this is gonna fire as soon as the main menu is spawned. What we're gonna do is just right click and it will get player controller.
Okay. All right. Hang on. You're in the what? You're in the main menu. Is that the main menu game mode? Is that where you are? All right, where the heck is my graph? Guys, where's my graph? Where's my graph? I don't know. Sequencer. I don't know. All right, let's close this. I don't know how this. I don't know how Unreal works. I don't actually know how Unreal works.
I will head back to the graph. Event construct.
Back to this guy.
Fire as soon as the main menu is spawned. My mouse disappears and I can't really get access to it again. Also, if I hit the
I'm
free, when I
free
start my game, I start with the
Thanks,
here.
thanks,
We
JC.
add a couple of settings to fix that.
All right.
So we go back to our main menu.
You clicked on the main menu. That was this main menu. You clicked on this main menu. I still don't have. Cause I'm free falling. That's the viewport. Sequencer. Bookmark. Find results. Yeah. Default. Oh, hey, we got it. We got it back. Nice. Love that. Bruh. You don't have anything to say, JC? What do I have anything to say? I'm really focused. I'm very much trying to get this working, as it were. You know, I need to get this working. I need to. Graph. Here we go. Event constructed. Get player character. Get player.
And we'll head back to the graph. Event construct.
Event construct.
It's gonna fire as soon as the main menu is spawned.
Yeah.
What we're gonna do is just right click and it will get player controller. And then we're gonna drag it and for set show mouse cursor. Just leave this button checked, and this will make it so the mouse cursor basically appears in the game. And then we're gonna drag it here, and for set input mode UI only, and then hook this. And this will just make it so the mouse cursor basically appears on the screen. And then we'll.
That's cool. That's really cool. So, when this object is made. This is what we do. We set it, that widget. We don't need to focus a widget.
Our start game run, we're going to basically do the opposite. So I'm going to copy this bit.
Lunchly cheese has mold.
Paste it here.
That's true.
So this time we want to uncheck the show mouse cursor. This will make it so the mouse cursor is hidden. Then we want to drag off here and look for set game mode only. So set input mode game only.
Set game mode. Set input mode game only.
I click play. So I'm just going to go full screen. I can click my mouse cursor and we can see my mouse still appears.
Ooh.
My mouse cursor disappears and I'm spawned straight into the game without my mouse cursor. And we have a functioning main menu.
Nice.
So that's all for this tutorial, and that's how you can create a main menu.
Okay, cool. Thanks, dude. Compile. This player controller is doing a lot of heavy lifting. That's okay. All right. We need to copy this. This all needs to be copied. Actually, only this needs to be copied. Copy. Save. Compile. Compile. There we go. Close that. We need to go to the end screen. Graph. Boom. Constructed. Like that. Baba booey. Set that to that. Get player controller. Wow. Compile. Perfect. Perfect.
I'm sorry, but this might be the biggest good cows fall off.
I don't know what you mean. Also, careful. That's how you get timed out, JC. If you're not having fun, you can leave. I mean, you don't have to be here. Yeah, JC, you really... Right.
I'm a completionist of streams.
I don't know what that means. So, do you wanna explain what you mean about the fall off, JC? Let's hear what you have to say about that. Hang on. I want you to explain yourself now, cause that's like ban worthy, is what that is.
What I mean is that there's not as many viewers as other streams.
Okay. I mean, yeah, I have 18 subs. 19. This channel has 19 subs. Okay. That was pretty rough, JC. That was pretty rough. Rough thing to say. Wasn't good, to say the least. Yeah. Pretty bad.
First ending, you leave the store.
Yeah. I think I'm gonna call the stream there. See you, JC.